Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, we're going to have a look at the crypto headlines and have a look at what's going on in the space. Lots of volatility in the market and lots of really interesting news articles to delve into. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. Okay, let's get down to the desktop. So first of all, what I wanted to do a little bit different to how we normally open a video here. I wanted to say, why not shoot on over to our Twitter page and be kept up to date with, lots of different technical analysis pieces that we put out there, as well as memes and news headlines as the news breaks. It'd be fantastic to increase our follower count on our Twitter. Now, the other thing to mention is we have a fantastic membership on Patreon, and this is our Discord as well, and the Discord is free. So why not check it out? Over 4,000 people in there talking about crypto 24/7. The links are all in the description of this video, but you can just see here how highly the members rate the membership aspect of things. Now, I thought I'd just take a quick sort of tour of what goes on here. So we've got a trader chat, we've got technical analysis section here, which basically means that our top tier members can basically request technical analysis from our technical analysis team, and it will get put into the TA section in the Discord. So members chat area, we've got trading ideas, which I'm not going to open, which is basically Nick's trades for the day. We've done some TA training as well, and we've got a hangout area where people can talk quite openly. We've got member alerts, so all our buys and sells, Nick's trades, which sometimes he, this is an old one. Sometimes Nick will just put random trades out, which is a bit different to our trade ideas or actual trades. We've got an NFT section. We've got resources, so you can look at lots of different resources. We've got write-ups on like loads and loads of projects, and there's a write-up on a project every single day, and the members can request these. Whales alerts. We got our live streams. We do 2 weekly AMAs for our members. Got our member chat, cheeky TA. So this is basically where our team put all the technical analysis that is requested for people in the Patreon to have a look at, and much more. We've got like crypto basics, which is basically all of the tutorial videos. Lots and lots going on. We've got our NFT project that we've got going on. Just lots going on, and it's definitely worth delving in at least to the Discord, because that is absolutely free. But the membership section is also doing very well, and members seem very happy with it. But I wanted to kind of just do a little bit of a quick tour of that before we get into the headlines. We have a fantastic community in there, so definitely check out the Discord, absolutely free. Okay, so let's get to coin market cap now. I did put out a message yesterday in the Discord, on the Twitter, and this is why it's important to follow us on other social media platforms, talking about taking profits. Now, it was brought to my attention that there's a few individuals that made life-changing money. This is their words, not mine, and they didn't take profits. And we talked about taking profits all the way through the bull cycle, right? And we even talked about taking profits throughout the bear market, right, and how to do it tax efficiently, from a UK perspective. So we've talked about it, and if people don't listen to parts that don't resonate with them, I don't expect to be apportioned blame, because we talked about profits. I mean, I bought a Range Rover Sport, just skimming some profit off of the portfolio, and increased what I held crypto in crypto terms. And we talked about this live as we're doing it, right? And we log all our buys, all our sells. Nick puts out all the trades and any trades that he does himself. So look, the market's volatile. I put that message out to basically remind people to take profits. We've seen what I think is a bear phase rally, and it looks like it's got to cool down. And I just put it out there for you guys to make your own financial decisions. Nothing I give you is financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. And you need to go away and make your own investment decisions, or contact your own financial advisor. So I wanted to just come into the market. Nick and myself, we are talking about the prices coming down. There should be some really good deals. The bottom's in for some altcoins, but perhaps not all. And there's potential that we could see lower lows for cryptocurrencies, right? And this seems to be something that people are getting offended by. I was one of few people that called the bottom in June, and I called this in May that it would be in June. And that's came in, and looking outside of just the crypto space, doesn't feel that was actually accurate. So again, I'm probably the only one that called it for June and is now saying that we're potentially going to see lower lows. So and there is very little to show this in the data, but you've got to look outside of indicators, because a lot of these indicators are working loosely with a very small data set. So take a lot of these indicators with a pinch of salt, because they will fail, in my opinion. But let's get into the news, and it'd be great to get your views and opinions. Do you think the bottom's in or not? Let me know in the comments below. So a Brazilian crypto platform, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗂𝗪𝗂𝗪𝗂, I think that's how you say it, suspends withdrawals, reports $31 million hack. And I've talked about this quite a lot in general, like in the Discord or on YouTube, around the fact that the cybersecurity sector should be a sector that people that run projects should be looking at, to partner with and collab with, and improve the security within crypto in general. But flip it and look at it from an investor's point of view. As investors, we should probably be looking at the cybersecurity sector and looking at what can we do. Do we want to invest? And if so, great. If not, what actually can we do as consumers? Could we demand projects that we invest in to do some collabs with some of the cybersecurity sector? Because ultimately we want to keep our money safe, right? And it appears on the face of it that a lot of projects aren't doing enough to keep their customers' money safe. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on this. Again, I'll link this in the Discord, and we'll probably share it on Twitter as well, so do check out the socials. Okay, moving on, and we've got two articles surrounding Bitco. Now, Galaxy Digital abandons the 1.2 billion plan to acquire crypto custody firm Bitco. Now, this is really interesting because they basically talked about partnering back in May, and it was going to be done by the end of this year. Now, we had this first come out, so obviously they've backed out of the deal, and then we follow this up and we see crypto custody firm Bitco is to sue Galaxy Digital for abandoning the 1.2 billion merger agreement. Now, what is this over? This is basically over Bitco not completing an audit or sending the audit details over to Galaxy Digital within I guess a specified time frame. So again, is that true? We don't know. Or is this just Galaxy Digital looking to just back away from the deal because of the way the markets are? Moving on, and we've got digital bank Revolt gets approval to offer crypto services throughout Europe. I think this is a really big and important news article to cover off. I do think this is a big deal. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are in the comments below, and I will link this in the Discord. Moving on, and we've got Reddit partners with crypto exchange FTX to help users manage community points. So again, this is an interesting one, which is the reason why I wanted to bring it up more than it being a real prominent news article, because actually miscommunication and comments and all this sort of stuff is a plague in this sector, right? And it's very tribal in its nature sometimes. Crypto investments, it's at points very childish. Now, I think this could potentially be really good if they sort of work on how to get rid of some of the misinformation. But let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on this. Again, I think this is interesting. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video, and I will catch you in the next one.